Back to Hamble at Home. This is going to be a math education. We're talking about lesson 1-3, comparing whole numbers. I can use place value to compare numbers and record my comparisons using this. Now, the key to this is that it's the less than sign, equal, or greater. So let's start off. A robotic submarine can dive to a depth of 26,000 feet. Which oceans can the submarine explore all the way to the bottom? Solve this problem any way you choose. All right, so we're going to annotate what's the most important thing I need to know. 26,000 feet. Can dive up to a depth, meaning can't go past any four more. We're also going to use math. So we're going to take what we've done in previous lessons, and we're going to look at, okay, so 26,000. Okay. So remember, I like to, in math, sometimes we use letters to represent numbers we don't know. So if the number or the x is on this side, that means it's greater than. If the number is on the left side and the little alligator head is the bottom, it's facing this way, the facing out, that means less than, and of course we know this means equal. So greater than, less than, equal. All right, so we want to know which oceans can the submarine explore all the way to the bottom. All right, so we want to know, we got to figure it out. So if we look at it, 28,000, we write 20, you could easily write on this, write 26,000 next to it, okay? So remember, the submarine can't go, if the number is bigger than 26,000, or greater than it, okay, so 28, okay, 28, 26, okay, so this number over here is greater. This number is also greater. This number is less than. So can it go in the Atlantic Ocean, which is 28, can only go up to 26,000, so nope. Can it go in the Pacific, which is 35, which is greater than 36? Nope. 23,000, which is less than? So yes. So our answer is Indian. So if you want to think of it this way, if you have your place values, 28, 232, I'll use the top one just to kind of show you what I'm thinking. 26, don't be afraid to draw it out. When you're doing the programs and they don't give a chance for you to do your mental math or to write it out, use a paper and pencil. It's always good. Okay, pair it up. I know that this 8 is bigger than 6, so that's how. Which one of these is the shallowest? So when they're talking about which ocean is the deepest, would be the one with the largest number. So if I go back. So which ocean is the shallowest? Which one is the one with the smallest number? How would you know that? So if you look, the Atlantic has 28,232 feet. Okay, but we know the 35,840 is bigger, so that means the bigger the number, this means it's going to be deeper. The Indian Ocean is 23,376 feet. So which one is the smallest number? Well, it's going to have to be the Indian Ocean. Well, why is it the Indian Ocean? So if you were listening, you're going to see that the information I was explaining was also a good way to think about it in terms of comparing, thinking about numbers, and just do number talk. So you're going to see problems related to this one when you do this topic.